After spending some 20 years in aerospace manufacturing as a systems analyst, I realized that existing manufacturing computer systems focused on the wrong thing. THSA programs, which are based on Materials Requirements Planning, MRP, focus on the inventory needed to build the product and not on the needs of the customer who will use the product. THE concept of Customer Satisfaction Planning, CSP, a term I coined, evolved over several years. Unlike other forms of planning, CSP places the focus squarely on the product that will satisfy the paying customer, whether that is an internal or external customer. I grew up during the Sputnik era, which led me to a career in engineering. After graduating from the University of California, Berkeley, as a mechanical engineer, I enlisted in the Army. After the Army, I went to work at Lockheed, where I got a California Professional Engineer license and earned my MSME, Master of Science in Mechanical Engineering, degree at San Jose State. I spent the next 11 years at Rockwell and studied television and electronic engineering at night. I noticed that electronics was changing rapidly as Phi-RST transistors replaced vacuum tubes and then integrated circuits, ICs, replaced everything. Television was an interesting hybrid consisting of interlaced lines on a screen. Color was added by combining lines of the three primary colors. All of this is currently being replaced by high-definition technology, in which a picture is created using about 1 million dots of different colors. Because of these changes, my background in differential equations became obsolete. I decided to change too. After some 15 years as an engineer, I became interested in how the whole company operated and returned to school and obtained my MBA. TH has helped me understand why decisions were based on factors other than simply technical ones. Nevertheless, I felt it was more important to base DESI science on real data. Initially, I worked in the program AFI-CE, where I eventually developed spreadsheet reports that visually displayed the manufacturing status of the products pending delivery. Later, I moved to manufacturing to support the manufacturing management, where, using my engineering background, I developed barcode SYS TEMS to track the work in process. My training and experience as an engineer had taught me to question why things were done and then to ask how they could be done better. I applied this mindset to analyzing the manufacturing process. MRP was created in the early 1970s, several computer lifetimes ago. MRP's focus on inventory to the exclusion of completed orders was a good approach when computing was very expensive. However, completed orders provide the traceability to what, who, when, where, why and how the parts were made, and because MRP excludes completed orders, this information is lost. Using MRP, inventory cost is averaged and many direct costs such as repair, overtime and transportation are lumped into the overhead cost. Era 4, there is no idea of where the part originated or what its actual cost is.